goDésana Party Planning Guide. We do have a party planning system, but that's not the only way that you can build your business with goDésana. We also have a direct selling compensation plan that you can take part in if that's how you would wish to build your business. But during this presentation, we will be discussing how to set up parties for your back office and how to use our party planning system. Yes, we have a party plan system. You can host your own parties, or you can set up parties for others to host. You can do in-person parties, you can do them online, whatever way you like to plan parties, you can build your business that way. The best part is you get the 50% retail sales bonus on all the purchases made at the scheduled party. So we are going to start by logging in to the goDésana website. You go to the main website and click Virtual Back Office in the top left-hand side. You would then type in your ID number and your password. And it will log you into your back office. You'll go over here to the left-hand side underneath dashboard where it says host a party. And then if you're doing a party online and you're using Facebook or anything like that, you will want to make your Facebook event before you do this step. But right now we are going to create a new host, which is your first step when creating a party. So we are doing a demo here for you. So we are going to do, then you add their address. And their email address. So if you see here, you have successfully created a host. Then you can view and edit your host here. Then once you have your host created, you can create a new party. You add your party name, so whatever you or your guest wants your party to be called, and then you select whatever host you would like to host the party. You pick the starting date and the ending date, and then if you're doing on social media with Facebook, you'll want to put that URL right here. And then the physical address of the party if you're having a physical party. Then you will submit that. And you'll see the party has been created and an email has been sent to you and to the host. And then here is the party link. This is the link that you would share with anyone who wants to take part in the party or purchase from the party link. So once you have created your party, you'll get this email. It says, you've created a party, has the host contact information. It also has the party link, which will show up right here, and then the dates of the party and the party link, as well as you, if you're not the host, it will have your contact information and your email to the host, or can contact you. And then you'll want to invite people to the party. So you can go here to tell a friend and select your party that you'd like to invite people to. You put their name, their email address, and any kind of personalized note you would like to send, and then you press send, and it will automatically send them an email with the link to the party so that they can purchase. Again, you will earn the 50% retail sales bonus on parties, and there's also host benefits that the host earns through the party depending on the amount of sales that the host gets. So that's how you create the party through your back office and get it all set up so that people can order through the link and it will all go to the same party.